Hey guys, Gary Dean, Detailjuice.com. So I shot basically part one, but it was more like just a quick demo on the new shoe detailing kit that I'm going to be releasing on November 1st, 2019. So this will be part two. I'm not happy with how I left that video. So basically we took this shoe right here from looking all bad and dirty and all of that, very worn and neglected. We took this shoe from looking bad to looking good, but in the other video I didn't bother taking the laces out, and I also mentioned throwing them in the washing machine. You don't need to do any of that. This cleaner will take care of it all. I'm going to show you. The other thing is, if you don't bother taking your laces out, your tongue is going to look nasty just like that forever. So what you need to do is use the cleaner. Cleaner is here. I believe I'm going to offer this kit in 4 ounce. It takes about an ounce of cleaner to do 2 shoes really well. So that'll give you plenty to get rolling, but you can see how nasty where I'm going to get in here and show them where the laces were sitting is all nasty in here, which you can't get to until you take the laces out, and then that tongue, that speaks for itself, and then you can see how nasty the inside is. The cleaner is going to do a fantastic job, as you saw on the outside, but I'm going to go ahead and spray the cleaner on the tongue here and on the outsides where the lace was laying. And then I'm just literally going to wipe it clean. You can see how quick this stuff works. Move it around, get all the nooks and crannies you can get. You don't want to leave any nastiness in there. I mean, that's the whole point of this, right? Just clean the shoes up, make them look like new, rejuvenating old stuff, just like detailing cars is what we do for a living. But it's all about, you know, making your old stuff last longer, look better, and saving money, really. So good quality products help you to produce great quality results. On the edge here, on the fabric, if you want to get in on that, you can absolutely spray the fabric on the, or spray the cleaner on the fabric. Just get it just slightly damp. No dwell time really needs to happen. Then you can just gently massage the fabric, and you can already tell. I'll show you in just 1 second. I'm going to do half of the neck here. This fabric, or this cleaner, does an excellent job, whether it's fabric or leather, vinyl, pleather, whatever you want to call it. You can see it's still damp, it's going to lighten up, but it's noticeably cleaner here than it is here. So just working on that, going around all the outsides, making sure it's damp when you do it. The cleaner, you don't want to oversaturate it. And the cool part about this cleaner is, even though you're not diluting it all out of the fabric, it's not going to continue to eat it up and break it down. It will not break down your fabric, your stitching, any of that. So give it some squirts and give it some wipes. That's really all you got to do. On the fabric, I wouldn't recommend using a brush, because you're just going to break those fibers apart, which is never good. So it's just basically a hand game. You're in here in the nooks and crannies, and you're cleaning the best you can clean. And here we are. Very clean, looks great. Is it perfect? No, they're used. A lot of that is wear, and a lot of the staining is deep down inside there. But it looks great, especially compared to that shoe. Now, what I want to show you is you got a pretty dirty lace. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate it for you just like this. I'm going to spray the cleaner on about 10 inches of this. Okay, now I'm going to take my towel. The kits will come with 2 white microfiber towels. I do not currently have them in stock, but what I recommend is literally just pulling on it to clean the dirt off. You can see it all over my towel. I'm going to go ahead and hit it one more time. Bunch on the table. So I'm going to get a clean part of the towel right here. Yeah, see all that just came off just with that one swipe? Be careful you don't pop the plastic ends off your laces. You want those to retain or to stay intact. So anyway, I've cleaned this side. See if I can get you in here to see the difference. Can you see the difference? This one's really dirty still, and that one's a lot cleaner. Picking that up on the camera. So, again, these are all worn. You're not going to take the wear out. What you are going to do is change the appearance from beat up, broke down, almost ready to toss, to something that is much more presentable, nicer to wear, something that you can, be proud of again, basically. So anyway, a $20 cleaning kit will save a $100 pair of shoes. There's incredible value there. So what I'm going to do is, since I've done these 2 demos on the fabric and on the shoelaces, I'm going to finish that up. And I'm going to get these laces back in the shoe, and then we'll compare the 2 in a part 3 video. But the next step on all this fabric is, once it dries, you can use the UV blocking waterproofer on all of the fabric, and that's going to keep this stuff from getting as dirty as fast, because the contaminants can't stick to it. So that's the biggest benefit of that. But that's where we're at, guys. You can see the difference. It's not. So, thanks for watching. I'm going to go ahead and finish this shoe up, and we'll do a part 3 just showing you what's up with that shoe and what these 3 products can do. In the first video, you saw me use the lotion conditioner, and that actually helps retain the elasticity. So when leather, plastic, and vinyl get dried out, they start to break apart and produce cracks and that kind of thing, and it's not only unsightly, but that's the start to real deterioration on your shoes. So if we can slow that down or stop it, your shoes are going to last longer. That's the bottom line. So what I recommend is to give it a good clean, scrub it down with a little brush. The kit will include a little brush and a couple of these microfiber towels, as well as the 3 products. But you get everything clean: sole, shoe, tongue, fabric, and then after everything is dry, you go back in with the lotion on the outside, the UV blocking waterproofer on the fabric. If you've got suede, you'd use the UV blocking waterproofer instead of the lotion. But again, if you read the labels, you'll see everything. But thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and check out part 3. These shoe detailing products, the kit, the pre-release kit, will be on Detailjuice.com all of next week. So they'll be live November 1st, 2019 on Detailjuice.com, as well as my brand new Marine Series coating. That stuff's awesome. For anything on the water, bottom line. And then I also have my brand new off-road lineup, which is a Tampa Bay Power Sports exclusive.
Oh, nope, it's still going.
Well, I'm not going to edit that out, but my camera woman said, oh, it stopped. We're using my phone right now, my Samsung S9 Plus. Anyway, long story short, the products, all the brand new products for 2020 will be available at Detailjuice.com November 1st, 2019. And then as you guys, well, if you follow me or if you know anything about how I do sales, the last big sale of the year is the Thanksgiving through Cyber Monday sale, and this year's is going to be a great one. Thanks for watching, guys, and I appreciate your trust and support. Have a great day.